Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you uh, how to see which formula has been applied in Microsoft Excel. For example, there are a lot of formulas in Excel and it becomes difficult to see by looking at the value which formula is applied, right? So by just looking at it's difficult. For example, right now I'm just taking a very easy example. That is, if I want to just find the sum of these cells, I'm using this equal to sum formula and selecting the cell. So let's say there was some other formula that has been applied here, and the answer is 10. So just by looking at it for the first time, it would be difficult for an individual to see what was the formula behind this, right? At this point of time, I'm just mentioning the sum formula, which is easy for any individual to see. But let's say it was a very difficult formula. So what was the formula? Either you can just click on the cell and here in this you can see which formula has been applied, or you can use another formula to see which formula has been applied, and that is formula text. Click on this and give the reference which you want to know, and then click on enter, and then you will see this is the formula that was applied here. Another way is that just go to the formulas and in the formula auditing, click on show formula, and it will show you exactly which formula has been applied and which cell it has been applied on. So this was about how to see which formula has been applied in Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much for watching.